In this guide, I'll show you how to use Xbox Remote Play on your phone or tablet by setting it up on your Xbox Series S or Series X. First, from the home screen on your Xbox, open Settings. Then, scroll down to Devices and Connections and select Remote Features. Once you're here, go to Power Options and make sure your console is set to sleep. This allows you to turn on your Xbox remotely and use Remote Play. After that, go back and enable Remote Features. Your Xbox will then run a quick test to make sure everything is set up correctly. Once it says your setup is good to go, select Next and then close the setup screen. Now, grab your phone or tablet and open your web browser. In the search bar, enter xbox.com/remoteplay and visit the website. Give it a few seconds to load and take you to the Remote Play page. You can visit this page through your browser whenever you want, or you can add it to your home screen so it works more like an app. To do that, tap the three dots in the bottom right corner, select Share, then choose View More. Scroll down and select Add to Home Screen, then tap Add. Now, open the Xbox Remote Play shortcut from your home screen. Once it opens, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Sign In at the bottom. Make sure you sign in with the same Microsoft account that you use on your Xbox console. After signing in, you should see your Xbox listed here. If you tap the controller icon in the top right corner, you'll also see instructions for connecting your controller, depending on which controller you're using. Once your controller is connected, go back and select your Xbox. Xbox Remote Play will then connect to your console, and you'll be able to control and play your Xbox directly from your phone or tablet. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.